Alright friends, let's begin with installing Tailwind CSS. First I search Tailwind CSS on Google and I go to the official website. I click it. Then I navigated the docs section to find the setup instruction. As you see, getting started appears here. There are multiple ways to set up Tailwind CSS. You can use White or Tailwind CLI or framework such as React, Vue, etc. And also you can use CDN. Although CDN seems easy, the CLI is much more powerful, especially when using editors like VS Code. With CLI, features like IntelliSense and embedded auto-completion work properly. Okay, I will show you both methods, the CLI and CDN version. So, I'm on the desktop. Let's create a folder. I create a folder, new folder, and Tailwind, Udemy. Okay. And then I open with VS Code. Open with code, I say. So I open new terminal, and new terminal, and then I run npm init. First we do the CLI version. I come here. We will use npm. So first I say npm init. So as you see, it asks me package name, version. I say enter. I click enter. Description, enter point, test command, git repository, keywords. I say enter. Yes. I say yes. So package.json is created. Okay. What I need to do? I continue. I need to import Tailwind CSS into my CSS file. But be careful. The source directory could be crc and then /input.css. So that's why I come here. I create src folder, and then inside the src folder I create input.css. Okay, what I need to do, I come here and I say import Tailwind CSS into src folder. Okay, I copy and paste it. So we continue. Before that, my first step is I need to install Tailwind CSS using npm. So I copy this command. I come here. I open my terminal again. I say new terminal. And then I can use X terminal or this terminal, it doesn't matter. New terminal. I copy these and paste it. You'll see I wait a little bit. I wait like 10 seconds. So I install Tailwind CSS. You see into dependencies, Tailwind CSS and Tailwind CSS CLI version. Okay. So I did second step too. So I passed the third step. That's the start command. So what I need to do, I need to run the CLI tool every time, but as you see, it's hard to write every time this code. So for doing this, I copy these, and I modify this script. I need to adjust the path. So I'm writing a script for this. I come here and I say tw build command for building Tailwind CLI. After that, I put my comma and then I paste this command. Okay, I separate with comma. Don't forget to put comma here. Okay, and then let's change output directory. As you see, my output directory is output.css. So let's change it. I create dist folder. I create dist, not here. I create dist folder, and then I create output.css. Output.css. Okay. And then let's change this path. I come here. I say not src directory. I say dist directory. Dist and then output.css. Okay. So let's continue. I come here. So I need to use this HTML file. I copy these and then I come here inside the src folder. I create new file, input.html. Okay, so I copy these, but I need to change this link. So my output CSS in the dist folder right now. So that's why I come here. I say dist yes, output CSS. Okay. For running, I need to install a few extensions. I will use live server. You can install this, and then I will use Tailwind CSS Intelligence. So Tailwind CSS Intelligence extensions is very useful. You can install this. It's available after v4 version. We will use v4 1 version in this course. So let's run this code. I come here, I say new terminal. So as you see, I wrote a script. So I will use npm run tv build command. That's why I come here, I say npm run tv build. Okay, so it's done. I need to run it. I come here, I open with live server. As you see, I right click and I say inspect. You see utilities class. For example, underline. What underline does? Underline gives text decoration line CSS class. For example, font bold gives font weight 700, as you see. So it works successfully. I just get one error, favicon error. For solving these issues, we can use, I come index.html, we can use this link rel shortcut icon. So I come here, I refresh, you see there is no error. Okay, great, everything works fine. So this setup is efficient for working on multiple lessons with a clean structure. In the next lesson, I will show you CDN version